guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the surprise package sent by Hasbro regarding Star Wars. That's right, it is Star Wars Choose Your Destiny, in which we'll be looking at the latest lineup by Hasbro. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Hasbro for sending us over this free product to review. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get our force on. Haha! Alright, so check it out. This here is our packaging, this here is our box. Let's open it up. Check it out. That is actually a really cool display. Look at that. Alright, I don't even know where to start. Choose your destiny and bring balance to your force. Enclosed are some of the latest Hasbro Star Wars roleplay items and toys that may help you ignite some exciting new content. So let's check out this part down here. Right away, I see something really cool. First off, they did send us this collectible grade lightsaber. This here is the Star Wars The Black Series Leia Organa Force FX Elite lightsaber, featuring lights, sounds, and of course a high quality grade material piece. Alright, moving on. Star Wars Mission Fleet Dark Trooper, the Gear class assortment, as well as the Mandalorian, the Expedition class assortment. Now these things here are collectible, but also they're very playable. So they feature a hover E-Web cannon, and then for the Dark Trooper, it also features a weapon as well as the character itself. Alright, and then we have ourselves the Star Wars Darth Maul double-bladed lightsaber force, featuring essentially the Master Work set, allowing you to go ahead and pick and choose and essentially create a custom version based on your own personal preference. We have ourselves a double set here, so we have Yoda as well as another Darth Maul. So these here are regarding the lightsaber force series, in which you have essentially thousands of different combinations where you can combine them. So you have the Yoda version here, which features the green iconic lightsaber, as well as Darth Maul once again with the red lightsaber. Last but not least, it looks like they sent us our dark saber. So this is also cool. So this one features, of course, the blade, in which again you can go ahead and customize and pick and choose based on your own liking. All right, so there you guys have it. So this here essentially wraps up the new lineup for Star Wars series for Hasbro. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Hasbro for once again sending this over, and overall a really cool unboxing haul. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.